Canon EOS M50. Box. Inside you have your manual, register, and another user manual thing. Who reads these things? Open up the box. Inside you will find the camera body. Open up the inside, you will find the Canon body. You can get either between black or white. Well, obviously this is black. Set this here for right now. Inside you also have your charger. Comes with a charger. A camera strap. Inside it also comes with a camera strap to put on both the sides. Do this here for now too. Oh, and it also comes with a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Very nice. Oh, that was bad. I did not mean to do that. That could have been bad. I can't believe what just happened. What a perfect example of why I hate my camera and why I'm getting this new camera. Let me explain. So I kind of dropped it, but I caught my lens. But at the same time, my camera shut off. But let me just finish this, and I will get back later to explaining all the details of me getting this camera and why I'm switching over to Canon forever, honestly. Well, I can't say that yet. We'll see. Anyways. So, side box open. So this is a 50 to 45 millimeter lens for this camera. Yeah, whatever. It also comes with the battery. So, yeah. This here. I'm gonna throw all this in here. So, let's get this inside. This is what the Canon 15-45mm kit comes with. Just comes with all of this. So, let's continue. But before that, let's get into some of the details of why I got this. And just 1 second. So, first of all, for the past few videos, I have been using this camera. This is the Sony RX1R. It was a good camera at first until it started bugging on me, right? So I have this camera, and I used to shoot like personal other videos on this other camera. The Sony, was it their RX100 Mark III. Both of them are compact cameras, and well, I hate both of them. The only one I like is these look, right now I'm shooting with the exact same camera, this exact same camera up here. I have two, except the other one is just a Mark V, the one you're looking on right now, right here. So, with these cameras, I have multiple problems with them. First problem, the battery issue is horrendous. During this recording, you don't know how many times I have to take the battery out, charge it, and then put it back in, and it just takes way too long. So, these batteries, I don't know what's wrong with them. They don't last very long. They last roughly about, I don't know, like some of them, especially this one, only last about half an hour, maybe less than that. This one barely lasts me like half an hour as well. I don't know why. I would expect this one to last a bit longer since, you know, well, it has a bigger battery and everything, but they just don't. Number 2, none of these cameras have audio ports for me, and that is a crucial thing for me, because taking audio from the mic, or like from the mic from the cameras, is kind of terrible. And with that audio problem, that's one of the main reasons why I got this Canon M50, and also because of the quality too. I mean, to be fair, this shoots 4K, which is not bad. It's actually really like nice, a little portable thing, but it's just not enough for me. Like, it's like the audio issue is so bad for me. Like, I have to use this external mic, and look at this. I have it plugged into my phone through a little adapter and this little lavalier mic. I don't know, I still need to upgrade my audio. It is quite garbage. Yeah, the audio is garbage, Paul. I don't know why you're not recording with this Blue Yeti that you already have. Such an idiot, oh my god. Anyways, you're probably tired of me rambling, and you're tired of all these I don't even know. Tired of my camera keeps shutting down, and it's down like every freaking 30 seconds. It's so annoying. Well, as I didn't realize that my camera turned off, I just kept rambling to myself like an idiot, and I sped out some really good information that you should all know, so I will just summarize for you. So I will be telling you the summary while you will see some repeated b-roll. So the Canon M50, the price is around $700 to $900, but currently on Amazon it's about $599, and it's this Canon M50 15 to 45 millimeter kit. It's meant for like photo and video for about under $100,000. What am I saying? 100,000? Whoa, I meant $1,000. All right, let's talk about specs. So this Canon M50 comes in with a 24.2 MP image sensor, and it's the same sensor as the Canon 80D and the T7i, I believe, but it's for less the price as well. The M50 also has a Digic 8 image processor. The image processor performs better image quality, and it helps with the noise. The M50 is also faster, and faster than these other two cameras, and it shoots 10 FPS in photo. It also comes with a compressed RAW file format, in which the image is kind of raw, and it's sort of unsaturated and grayish. Now here comes the good part with the cinematography. The M50 also has 24 to 60 FPS video shooting. That means it's able to do slow motion. It also comes in with 4K, but there are some downsides to this. When shooting in 4K, the video is cropped in, and it's sort of zoomed in more. However, this is not always a bad thing, since you can use it as like an extra range if you're in need of it. You can use the extra cropped in, zoomed in image to shoot long range. 4K is shot in 23 FPS or 30 FPS, so there's no slow motion. But when you think about it, even $5,000 plus cameras sometimes struggle with the same problem. So I don't think it's quite a downside, I guess. The M50 can shoot in 120 FPS, however, it's at 720p, which makes it hella blurry and it's not sharp at all. The M50 also has IBS, or in-body stabilization. It is stabilized within the body of the... Usually the stabilization is within the lens, but with the M50, it's in the body of it. That means the image or the videos are going to be a lot smoother, since you can move around with it, and it'll still be kind of focused and less shaky. And it's great for sort of like when you're moving on the go, shooting or vlogging. Great like for like those kind of like for travel vlogs. So one of the key features I like about the Canon, well, besides the audio jack, I like the swivel screen. It's great for me to, when I'm looking top down, and I can just quickly glance up to see what you guys see. I also want to note that this camera does come with autofocus and a touch screen, So you can touch the screen to choose whatever you want to focus on, and it will continually like track the object and focus on that object as you. Great for video making when the object is moving. Say you're filming a video of like a pedestrian moving across, and it will stay in focus. It also has guide mode, in which it dumbs down the menu settings for new users to use. I had to kind of use it too. I'm still not used to the camera. Guide mode is very easy to use, and the interface is super good. On the outside, this camera also does come with an external mic for audio. The overall design of the camera looks really premium, but however, it kind of feels very cheap and cheap plastic. But I do understand with all these great hardware you get, I guess they had to sacrifice on the material made of the body, and I guess that makes sense because this camera, I believe, is very good deal for it. Overall, I rate this camera over a 9 out of 10 just by taking a look on the outside and messing around with it for a little bit. Only reason why I took 1 point off is probably because of the cheap material it's made out of. Otherwise, I believe this camera is really good. However, I will be doing more extensive tries with it and you'll see a video soon of me just taking it out for adventures and just messing around with it, showing you weird and fun things I've done with it. And that video will be more detailed and less messy as this one. This video was a giant mess to make because cameras kept dying and everything. It was a mess. Anyways, leave your comments down below if anything else you want to see or what you want to see me review. And that's it. Bye. Quickly, I forgot to mention that I picked up my camera from Sammy's Cameras, and the man who helped me was very nice. He threw in an extra camera bag and a 32GB SD card for free. And also forgot to mention that I also picked up an extra battery for extensive recording purposes. Just a little clip. Bye again.